Math 6 IIT Academy. In this video, our topic is trigonometry and subtopic is trigonometric ratios of half angles. Okay. So here in our previous classes, I already explained about cos 2a. Cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. So now by this, when you substitute 2a is equals to a, suppose, then here you can write cos a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So by this, what you can write means here 2 sin square a by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos a. Okay, so now we are going to use this formula. So here we know that cos 2 sin square a by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos a. So now 1 minus cos a. So how can we write cos a in terms of the sides of the triangle? Means cos a is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, so this is the value of cos a in terms of the sides of the triangle. So now when you are taking the LCM, here LCM is 2bc. So here 2bc minus b square minus c square plus a square. Okay, so now here what we have a square. Now I am taking minus common in these three terms, then I will get here b square plus c square minus 2bc divided by 2bc. So here a square minus, what we can write means here a minus b minus c whole square divided by 2bc. This is what we have 2 sin square a by 2. Okay, so now here a square, this is the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square, so that here you can write a plus b into a minus b. So hence a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c divided by 2bc. So here, as we know, in a triangle, sum of all the sides of the triangle is generated by 2s. Sum of all the sides of the triangles is generated by 2s, and 2s is equals to what means here a plus b plus c. Okay, this is our basic knowledge. So here a plus b is equals to what we can write means here 2s minus c. So like that, when you are writing here 2s minus c into here a plus c. A plus c means here we can write 2s minus b. Okay, 1 minute. One mistake I did here. A plus b means here what? 2s minus c and minus c. And here a plus c means here 2s minus b, and again we have minus b in the equation. So divide by 2bc. Okay. So now here 2s minus 2c into 2s minus 2b divided by 2bc. So when you are taking 2 common here becomes 4, and we will get s minus c into s minus b divided by 2 into bc. So here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So here 2 into sin square a by 2 is equal to what we have here 2 into s minus c into s minus b divided by bc. Here 2 will get cancelled, and we can write the value of sin a by 2. So here sin a by 2 is equal to what? Here s minus b into s minus c divided by bc under the square root. So this is the sin a by 2 value. So sin a by 2 is equal to square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. Okay. So here similarly we can also write sin b by 2 value. So here first let me write sin a by 2 is equal to what we got means here square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. So in similar case we can write sin b by 2 value. Sin b by 2 is equals to what? S minus a into s minus c divided by ac, and also sin c by 2 also we can write which is equals to what? Sin s minus a into s minus b by ab. So these are the sin of angles, means sin a by 2 and also sin b by 2. Sorry, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. Okay. So similarly we can see cos a by 2, cos c by 2 and cos a by 2. Okay. So again we will use the same thing. So now here again cos 3a is equal to what we can write means here 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, so now here 1 plus cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a. Now 1 plus cos a is equals to what? 2 cos square a by 2. This is the half angle. Already we have discussed in our last videos. So just have a look into that. So 2 cos square a by 2 is equals to what we can write means here 1 plus cos a. In previous we have written 1 plus cos a is equals to 2 sin square a by 2. So these formulas you have to memorize. Okay. So now here we are going to find the value of sin a by 2, cos a by 2, cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. So now here we know that 1 plus cos a is equals to 2 cos square a by 2. Okay, so 1 plus cos a means what here? B square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc is equals to 2 cos square a by 2. So now take the LCM. LCM is equals to what? 2bc. So here 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. So now with these three terms we can write b plus c whole square minus a square by 2bc is equal to 2 into cos square a by 2. Now here it is in the form of a square minus b square. So that here what we can write means here a plus b into a minus b, that means here b plus c minus a divided by 2bc is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. So now what we can write here 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to a plus b plus c means here we can write 2s into b plus c means here 2s minus a and again we have minus a divided by here 2 into bc. So here 2 and this 2 will cancel and we will get s into 2s minus 2a. So again we can take 2 common, then we will get s minus a divided by bc. This is the value of 2 cos square a by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled and we will get cos a value, cos a by 2 value is equal to square root of s into s minus a into bc. This is the cos a by 2 value. Okay. So similarly here we can write cos b by 2 value which is equal to what? S into s minus b by ac. Simply what we have to do means here a we have, here we got, so b we got, so a plus b. So here bc means the rest of the sides, length of the sides bc is there in the denominator. So the rest of the sides means here ac will come. So similarly we can write cos c by 2. Cos c by 2 means here square root of s into s minus, here c will come, s minus b and here a into. Okay, so this way we can write the value of cos b by 2 and also cos c by 2. Now we will see tan a by 2. So tan a by 2 means here what? Tan a by 2 is equals to the ratio of the sine and also cos. Okay, so sine a by 2 divided by cos a by 2. So here sine a by 2 means here square root of s minus b into s minus c by bc is sine a by 2. Now cos a by 2 means what we have means here square root of s into s minus a into bc. Now here root a into root a divided by root b is equals to what? Square root of a by b. So here when you are writing like that, then you will get s minus b into s minus c divided by a bc whole divided by s into s minus a whole divided by bc, and bc will be cancelled. Hence tan a by 2 is equal to what? Here we have s minus b into s minus c divided by s into s minus a. So this is the tan a by 2 value. Okay, so from this we can write tan b by 2 and tan c by 2. So alternate degree sides we have to substitute. So here a by 2 is there, so in the numerator we don't have a. That means here tan b by 2 when you are finding, what we have to do means here we have to write every angle except B. So that means here S minus A, sorry, side S minus A and also S minus C by S into S minus B. Okay. So next here, tan C by 2, when you want to write here, square root of S minus A into S minus B divided by S into S minus C. So these are the values of tan B by 2 and also tan C by 2. Okay. So that's all about the tan A by 2 and the remaining angles. Now we will see the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle. So here I am taking a triangle ABC. Okay, and I am drawing perpendicular on BC from A. So now here, as we know, here it is C and it is B and also it is A. Okay. So now here already we know area of the triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. So here 1 by 2 into base means here I am taking base is equals to BC, BC is equals to A, and height means here AD. So how to find AD means here? So here AD I am finding by applying sin C. So sin C when you apply, then what you get here? AD by AC. That means here sin C is equals to AD divided by B. So here AD is equals to B into sin C. Okay. Otherwise, when you apply sin B again in the left hand side the right triangle, sin B is equal to AD divided by C. So here AD is equals to C into sin B. So here what we will get? Area of the triangle A is equals to 1 by 2 into A into AD means B sin C, or A is equals to 1 by 2 into A into AD means what? C sin B. Okay, AB sin C, AC sin B. And also we will get area of the triangle is equals to here 1 by 2 into here AB into BC into sin A, BC into sin A. So you can use any one formula to find area of the triangle. Okay, see how this we will get means by drawing the perpendicular from C to AB or B to AC. Okay, in that we can find the value of sin A. Okay, so by that you will get this. So simply have written here AB sin C means sides AB is there, so angle C is involving. So here AC sides are involving, so sin B angle B is involving. So when BC sides involved, then sin A capital A means angle A will be involved. Okay, so that's all about the area of the triangle. So now next we will see very interesting and also important property, that is Heron's formula. Area of triangle based on sides. Just now we have found the area of the triangle with the help of the angles and also sides. Now we are going to derive area of the triangles based on only sides. Already this you have studied in the class 9th and also 10th. This is called Heron's formula. Okay, so now we will see how we are going to derive that Heron's formula and how we will express everything. Okay, so as we know here, area of triangle A is equal to what means here? Better, I will use this symbol because we are using the angle A also. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into sin A. Okay, this is the formula I am taking now. So now here 1 by 2 into BC. So here sin A formula. So actually here 2 sin A, actually sin 2A. Sin 2a formula what? Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a by 2, 2 sin a cos a. But sin a formula is equals to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Already this also we have discussed. Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a, and also sin a is equals to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So now I am going to write sin a value is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Why means just now we have derived sin a by 2 and also cos a by 2 in the previous video. Okay. So sin a by 2 is equals to, we can express everything in terms of sides, and cos a by 2 means here we can express everything in terms of sides. So now, so sin a means here 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, and this will get cancelled, hence you will get bc into sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So here bc into sin a by 2 means what here? Square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by bc into cos a by 2 means square root of s into s minus a by bc. Okay, so now bc, so square root of, when you are writing here s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c divided by bc square, is into bc square, and when you are writing outside, and here the square root and square will get cancelled, hence your bc and bc will get cancelled, hence we can write area of the triangle which is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the Hieronymus formula. Okay, so this is very important, and thank you for watching. Thank you all.